welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a part 2 of how to make a decorative star. This time it's going to be out of sticky notes. Okay, so of course we need sticky notes. I'm using 4 different colors. We need this paper circle, hot glue gun, and hot glue sticks. And that is everything, so let's get started. First, take your 4 different colors of sticky notes. I'm going to grab one, it doesn't matter which color. Make sure the sticky side is right here. We're going to fold it into like a cone shape, like this. I'm going to bring it around. Fold it into a cone like that. Because the sticky note isn't that strong, I'm going to put a bit of hot glue here at the end and then carefully place it down. There we go. And this is one of the cones. We are going to be needing okay, so here we go, guys. I have my 4 colors of different cones. I'm going to take our circle and our neon pink. We're going to glue them around in a circle shape like this. Okay, so there we go. Now that we have all of our pink, I'm going to grab our purple and glue it in the circle in between the pink. Like this. Also, maybe make sure to put the purple a bit over top so we get some height. There we go. Now that we have our pink and purple, we're going to take our blue and do the same. Make sure to glue it over top of the purple and in between. And again, you guys guessed it, we're going to do the green over top of the blue and in between. Also, guys, finally, because there's a little space in the middle, I have a couple more greens left, so we're going to glue and fill up this little hole here. Okay, so there we go, guys. It is all glued down. Now let's go check it out. Okay, guys, so thank you all for watching. I really hope you like this video of this beautiful decorative star part 2, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys!